Ever wanted to quickly summarize long articles or documents on your phone? In this video, I'll show you how you can easily turn those long pieces of text into concise summaries using Resoomer right from your mobile device. First, open your mobile browser and just type Resoomer into Google and search for it. Click on the Resoomer website link when it appears. Now, to get the best experience, you'll want to switch to desktop mode. Tap the three dots in the top corner of your browser and select desktop site or request desktop site. This will help you access all the features. Next, grab the text you want summarized. Copy the text from your source and paste it into the Resoomer text box. Then customize your summary. You can adjust the summary length, choose the format you prefer, and when you're ready, just tap the summarize button. Finally, review your summary, take a moment to read through and see if it fits what you're looking for. And that's it. If you're working from a desktop, the process is even simpler. Just open Resoomer, paste your text, tweak the settings, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Whether you're on the go with your phone or working from a desktop, Resoomer makes summarizing text quick and easy. Try it out next time you're dealing with long readings.
Thank you.